How to use Chegg referral program. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Chegg referral program. So if you want to use a Chegg referral program, you typically need to be an active subject matter expert or tutor on a platform. While Chegg does not always have a permanent, universal accessible referral button, they frequently run seasonal or subject specific as well. First thing first, you want to make sure to check your email. Chegg primarily distributes referral code and program detail by email. If a referral program is active for a subject, your subject coordinator will send you an email containing your unique code. And if you believe that the program is running but haven't received a code, you can then email your coordinator or apply a recent payment information email from Chegg with a subject line referral code as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and process, or you could simply go ahead and use the Chegg referral program. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.